What's good, guys? Enki Demon here, and we're back with another video. I think I'm gonna start daily vlogging. I put on my Instagram, like, should I do daily vlogging again? And a lot of you guys said yes. And honestly, you know what I mean? I have so much free time with trading. I don't even know why I'm not daily vlogging. Big shout out to Andre Diaz. You gave me the motivation to really start doing this shit again. Because if you guys know, I used to daily vlog every single day. I just said the same shit. I used to daily vlog a couple of months ago, like at the beginning of this year. But after a couple of months, I just stopped and I just started to post, you know, a little less frequently, but I still posted a little bit. No, I'm just gonna, you know, back to the point. I'm just gonna start daily vlogging again, honestly, because with this trading shit, like, I have a lot of fucking free time. I don't even know why I act like I don't have the time to do this shit, because I have a lot of fucking free time. And yeah, it's one of the things that I remember used to really fulfill me. It's just vlogging every day and just going home at the end of the day at night, just editing my video and then posting it the next day. And it's just something I want to start doing again. So I'm gonna start daily vlogging. All my links, all my socials are in the description. So if you guys want any of that, just check the description. You guys should definitely give me some ideas of shit I should start doing though, because sometimes it does get a little repetitive, because I'm mostly just gonna film a little bit of my day, you know, how it went in the markets and stuff like that, if I got a losing trade, a winning trade, or whatever. So give me some video ideas, most definitely, in the comments. That would be greatly appreciated, so you guys can get better videos. And what more do you guys want to know from me? You know what I mean? If you guys don't know who I am yet, I'm NQ Demon. I'm an 18-year-old day trader. I've been trading for a couple of years now, and I'm funded. I'm a funded trader. I use funds from other companies to trade, and that's how I basically make my money on a day-on-day basis. And now besides that, right now I'm gonna go to the gym. Today was not a good day for me in trading. I took 2 losses. I rarely take 2 losses in one day, but honestly, I was just on the wrong side of the markets. When I come back from the gym, I'll show you guys the 2 trades that I took. But I could show you guys kind of on my phone right now. So yeah, right now you guys really can't see the markings that you can't see, like, the trade setup markings. I'll put them back when I come back from the gym, and when I'm gonna do like the trade recap, you could say. But basically, I got chopped up today on US30, bro. It was my own fucking fault. And I knew we reached the higher time frame draw, so I knew it was going to be a little bit choppy, but there was 2 setups and I took them both. And honestly, I shouldn't have traded today, bro. It was a no news Monday, man. It was just it wasn't even a no news Monday, but it was just a Monday. And Friday I took shorts. Those were good shorts. That was a winning trade. I shorted to the daily draw on liquidity, which was like a daily bearish or daily bullish array, a daily BPR. And I shorted to that, and I knew we reached the higher time from draw on liquidity going into this week, but I still tried to long today. So that was definitely a little bit wrong on my part. And let me see if I could show you guys. I went long right here at around 12. I went long. I don't know if it's gonna, yeah, I went long there. And then I also went long at around 10:30, which is like right here. It had that move higher, and it almost reached the 1-to-1 and my higher time frame array where I wanted to see price go. And if price reached there, I would have, you know, managed my risk. I would have went to break even, and it would have been a break even trade. But it literally reversed out of nowhere. It didn't reach my 1-to-1, and it didn't reach my higher time frame PD array, so I took a losing trade. I couldn't manage my risk, and then I went long. I waited for another setup to play out because I was looking for longs this day, honestly. And yeah, I got stopped out again. Then after that, I was done for the day. It was definitely not one of the best days. I wasn't happy at all with how I performed, and it's been literally definitely a couple of months since I took 2 losses in one day. It's not something that happens often, but again, in trading, anything can happen. So yeah, you know what I mean? As long as we go into the next day better, with a better mindset and with a clear mind, it is what it is. You know, you have to move on. You can't stay stuck on these type of days where you get shit on from the markets. So yeah, it is what it is. Right now I'm gonna hit a gym session. I don't know if I'm gonna record that, but I'm gonna hit a really nice gym session right now to, you know, just calm my mind up. And I'll come back to you guys later with the trade recap. So yeah, I just came back from the gym sesh, you know what I mean? Just cook some steak and eggs, just a basic ass meal, you know what I mean? Got to get that protein in. And yeah, I had a good gym sesh, just a chest and try. Let me know if you guys want to see gym content. I don't really like recording in the gym that much, but if a lot of you guys Like tell me in the comments, like comment down below if you want to see gym content. If enough of you guys, like if 50 of you guys like say you want to see gym content, then I'll start posting gym content. So yeah, like I was saying, if you guys want to see gym content, if 50 of you guys can comment, I know it's a lot, that's why. So if 50 of you guys comment, you guys want to see gym content, I'll start posting gym content. Like I said on my Instagram, I'm gonna start posting daily back because fuck it, bro. Like not on my Instagram, like in the beginning of this video, but I also put it on my Instagram. Mentioning the Instagram, make sure to follow that. Link is in the description. But yeah, I'm just gonna start posting daily again because fuck it, who cares? You know what I mean? You guys want it, and yeah, I'll just give you guys what you guys want. So I'm gonna start posting daily again, and yeah, I'm gonna just mainly talk about psychology. You know, I'm gonna give you guys like trade recaps, mostly every day. You know, why I took certain trades or why not. Um, Psychology tips most likely. Even though I'm still human, I still struggle with psychology. For example, today I shouldn't have taken that second trade, honestly, but you know, in the moment it did look nice. So yeah, it's just a small mistake, but you know, even I sometimes make mistakes. But the important thing is you manage risk and you don't keep going, you don't keep trading. After I realized that loss, these market conditions are after that loss, I realized these market conditions are not optimal, got off the charts and continued with my day, because you have to realize that you know there's always going to be more opportunity. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not the day after tomorrow, but maybe Friday there's a really nice winning trade, and then you still end up the week in profit. You know what I mean? So you just have to be patient. And I like the same way I'm telling you guys this, like I also try to take my own advice. You know, again, I'm so human, I can still make small mistakes, but at the end of the day, you don't have to let it be a really big mistake. You know, have a limit, have a max trade per day limit, or have a maximum amount of risk exposure limit. And you know, if you manage that risk well, you will end up profitable in the long run if you have a profitable strategy, a profitable and proven profitable strategy. So yeah, I'm gonna just give you guys like a brief recap of how today went. I'm not even gonna really get into why I took these trades, because again, I was on the wrong side of the market today, and it happens. But again, one win and I'm back at break even for the week. So just have to stay focused. Anyways, going into the day, as you guys could see, oh my bad. We had this bullish. I remember we had this bullish 4 hour for value gap, and I said in the private Discord, that because of this 4 hour bullish for value gap, if I do end up taking any trades on YM or US30, I call it YM since it's YM. Um, if we do end up, if I do end up taking a trade, it's probably gonna be a long. But as you guys could see, the 4 hour closed really indecisive, and this should have been, honestly, this should have been my sign to just not trade. We swept all this 4 hour low right here, and with that sweep, we also had this hourly for value gap that got respected, and we had a 50-minute BPR, and that's when I went long the first time. In here, after getting lower time frame confirmation, I went long in here. I didn't go long here. My entry was more like down here. I remember it was something like this. I remember I barely reached 1-to-1. So, or I didn't reach 1-to-1, but it almost got there. I don't know. It was something like this. And I remember it didn't reach 1-to-1, and it also didn't reach. I wanted to see it at least come back into this hourly array before I would manage my risk, or at least come to 1-to-1 before I could manage my risk. By managing risk, I mean just going back to break even, or putting my stop loss to break even. So I remember I wanted to at least see some type of expansion to there. But honestly, after getting this expansion from this BPR right here, on the 5 minute, we got nice expansion higher, and then price just fucking reversed. So yeah, it is what it is. That trade was a good trade for me. And honestly, I think that's when I should have noticed, like, these conditions are not optimal. I should have gotten off the charts immediately. But I kept looking because, you know, we were still in that 4 hour fair value gap. And, you know, I thought we could get some longs today. And so I was waiting. There was nothing. And then right after 12, because my trading cutoff is exactly 12:25. And if there isn't a trade after, like, before 12:25, I'm done for the day. So right after the hourly close, like, if there isn't nothing, then I'm done for the day. And so I was waiting. Okay, I saw we had this nice hourly for value gap here. that I have marked out, the price didn't tap yet this whole morning. So I was like, okay, maybe that's where price wanted to go. And we were trading within this range the whole time. So we took out the range low. So I was like, okay, that's an hourly for value gap. We took out the range low, which was also a 4-hour low. And we had, again, we were still respecting this 50-minute BPR right here at the time. Now it's looking really choppy, but at the time we had a really nice 50-minute BPR. And so I was like, okay, if I could get a lower time frame confirmation, this would be my last entry of the day. And yeah, I got lower time frame confirmation right here with that change in state of delivery, or yeah, that order block changing in state of delivery for me, and then this inversion getting made. And I entered right here, stop below this low. And yeah, as you guys could see, this inversion kept holding. But usually if I see an inversion like this, I just take this first inversion. So I don't really care about this for value gap because it's supposed to get disrespected, but it didn't. And also I remember, yeah, we had a clear 5-minute for value gap. We had a clear 5-minute inversion. And so that also validated the idea for me. And then a really nice, at the time, again, a really nice 50-minute close. Look at that 50-minute close. If you guys can't really see it, my bad. But yeah, these conditions were just really choppy. So you can't really see the price action really well. But yeah, there was a really nice, this 50-minute close right here. Really nice wick, and then this bullish close. So with that 5-minute inversion, 3-minute inversion, for me, that was a entry. And yeah, I got stopped out again. And then after this, I just hopped off the charts. You know what I mean? There was no point in trying to trade this. And yeah, I definitely should have just got off the charts after that first trade, seeing how choppy PA was. This was completely, like, I take full accountability. Honestly, because I remember I entered and I wanted to see price disrespect this when I was already in the trade. And honestly, after this, like, move lower, I should have definitely closed the trade, or at least trailed my stops that I wouldn't take a full loss. But again, this is all hindsight. It is what it is. Yeah, as you guys can see, we kept chopping the whole day. We dumped, and then look at where price fucking opened today, guys. We are already up 460 points for the day, and it's Asia session, bro. Damn, why is my voice like that? And it's Asia session. So the idea was right, but again, just the timing wasn't. You know what I mean? Look at where price fucking opened. Look at the weekly candle, bro. We swept the weekly low, fucking all the way up there. So again, the idea was right. We reacted from this daily BPR because that was my daily, like, reasoning for price to go higher, was this daily BPR. But I don't know. I just got chopped, I guess. It is what it is. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow can be a better day. And again, we just need one win and we're back in the game. So it is what it is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to really try to post daily now. Or I'm not going to try. I am going to post daily. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.